Hello cookbook friends, this is Carrie with Cookbook Divas, and I don't think I've ever looked through a Chilean cookbook before, so let's check out the Chilean kitchen. 75 seasonal recipes for stews, breads, salads, cocktails, desserts, and more. It's by Pilar, Hernandez, and Eileen Smith. And let's find out when it came out. I think 2020? Skyhorse Publishing. Let's check out the table of contents. Chilean pastry, summer, fall, winter, spring, a chapter called Once. Okay, here's the introduction with some kind of pastries. Ooh. Okay, I'll read it later. Info on the Chilean pantry. Most international cookbooks have that. For example, some of the ingredients you would need would be blue eggs from the Arancana chicken. Wow. Chilean mustard, Chilean corn, vegetable oil, of course, mote, pasta de ají, quinoa. Okay, I don't think I know much about Chilean cuisine. I'm worried it's pretty meat-centric, and I could be wrong, but as a vegetarian, I'm like, eh. So they're talking about summer in Chile. Ooh, summer. Chilean white sangria, for example. Bean, corn, and squash potage, brothy seafood soup, dried porcini, quinoa. Ooh, noodles with avocado pesto. This is going to be amazing. Here's our first recipe of the book. Melon con vino, white wine sipped from a honeydew. I like this already. Okay. The food photography is okay. Here's your Chilean white sangria. Pebre, Chilean salsa fresca. Okay, how does that make it different from other South American salsas? They use onions, cilantro, tomatoes, a banana pepper, or a yellow Thai pepper. Aha! Red wine vinegar, vegetable oil, chili sauce, and salt. Ooh, this is layered stuffed beets. I want you to see this picture. Wow, what's going on? Here is ensalada chilena, Chilean salad using just tomatoes and onions. Yum. And banana pepper again, and garlic, and red wine vinegar again. Here's a bean, corn, and squash potage. I don't know how to say that word. Okay, and brothy seafood soup. So let's get to the next season because I can't show you the whole cookbook. Ooh, there's some beautiful pictures in here. Wow. Okay, here's a dessert, stewed peaches with cream. Okay. Ooh, now we're in fall. Let's check out what fall's got going on. Ooh, I see some pastries with sugar on top. How about, they start off with drinks. Mulled red wine, which we have in many cultures. Salsa verde. Here is cabbage and carrot salad. Yum. So far, not very heavy on meat. Crema de garbanzos, creamy chickpea soup. Whoa! That sounds like it could be really gross or pretty decent. The ingredients are yellow onion, vegetable oil, paprika, cumin, salt, chickpeas, vegetable broth, bay leaf, and possibly you could use 2 Spanish chorizos. Stovetop lettuce frittata. I have never seen a recipe like that. Wow. Would you eat that? Let me know in the comments. Here's a hearty winter squash with barley. I noticed there's not a bunch of bacon in there. This is more vegetarian friendly than I would have expected. Ooh, here's a double-crusted spinach pie. I feel like so many cultures have their version of the spanakopita or the spinach pie. Picante de camarones, tomato shrimp stew. For those of you that eat seafood, wow. And pollo escabecheado, pickled chicken thighs. Whoa. Here's a semolina pudding. I love that this book has desserts and beverages. Here is the fried choux pastry from the beginning of the chapter. Let's move to another season, winter. Starting off with sopapillas, which I thought were Mexican. They must be South American, okay? And caramelized onion empanadas, yum. I don't see any meat in the recipe unless they give you an option. Yeah, no, onions. I love this. A bean and onion salad. I'm sensing a theme. Lots and lots of onions. Here's a country style soup. Very important in winter. I eat a lot of soup in winter. Here's a grilled steak soup. Okay, meat eaters, here's your meat finally. Winter bean stew with pasta. That can't be traditional, but I like it. Okay. Stovetop carrot frittata. What? Wow, they're doing really interesting frittatas in this book. Okay. And what else should we look at? Papas doradas, golden potatoes. Okay, every culture has a way of frying up potatoes. Here's a baked seafood casserole. Pretty cool. I need to move to another. Oh, that's a lot of meat. Okay, let's check this out. Spicy pork ribs. Okay, now that sounds like the Chilean food I was expecting to hear. And another dessert, another drink, herbal tea. Now we're into spring, and we still have lots of the cookbook left. Cool. What do we eat in spring? Ooh, there's a fish. Okay. We start off with a beverage, a lemon verbena pisco sour. That looks very refreshing. How about a avocado celery salad? Yum. Looks like a pretty healthy cookbook. Watercress soup. I've had that before. I was not a fan, but turkey soup with cornmeal. Wow. In spring? Okay. And broccoli fritters. Nice way to sneak some veggies into my body. Here's some fish recipe. Potato squash stew with beef, or in my case, with tofu. Wine-infused drink, more drinks, a delicious-looking dessert. Ooh. Another dessert. Okay, and then once, I'm not sure what the point of this chapter is, but it's quick skillet bread. And huevos con tomate. Nice breakfast item. Dulce de alcayota, spaghetti squash preserves. No, thank you. That's interesting, though. That's very creative. Dobladitas, folded bread. Every culture has their own special bread they're known for. Here's finger sandwiches. Cute. Kneaded bread. Yum. Is this just a bread chapter? No. A farmer's steak sandwich. A hot dog. Some more desserts. Lots more desserts. Lots more desserts. And more bread. Sweet egg bread rolls. Wow, this is incredible. And more drinks. I am super impressed. That was 75 seasonal recipes for stews, breads, salads, cocktails, desserts, and more. As promised, I highly recommend this. By Pilar, Hernandez, and Eileen Smith, The Chilean Kitchen. Thanks so much for watching. You can see more of our cookbook look-throughs, previews, reviews, and get news on cookbooks at our website, cookbookdivas.com. We have a podcast called, you guessed it, Cookbook Divas. We're on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Thanks so much.